United Therapeutics is a very mission-driven organization founded by a parent trying to save her daughter's life. The company was founded by Dr. Martine Rothblatt. Her young daughter had a disease called pulmonary arterial hypertension, which is a rare disease that, if untreated, it causes the heart to overexert itself and the patient ultimately to die. The mission is to save as many lives as possible by creating an unlimited supply of transplantable lungs.
Working with a client like Unisphere really sets the bar very high for us. Not only do they have their own mission and vision of saving lives and improving lives, they also want then their buildings to be a reflection of their mission.
For years and years as architects and engineers, we would focus on aesthetics of buildings. We would focus on creating an interior environment that was really conducive to the people that were inhabiting the building. But now we're really looking at how can a building improve its environment externally.
A net zero building is a building that produces as much energy within a calendar year as it consumes. So the ability to create more and more net zero buildings that function like this is good for all of us.
I think one of the things that people really like about this space is the abundance of natural light.
The central atrium really works as a thermal chimney.
There are more obvious features like the operable vents below the floor.
Daylighting panels with solar panels, of course.
There are lights that indicate what mode the building is functioning in.
There's a display wall that shows you how much energy we are creating and how much energy we are consuming.
I hope this building changes the field of architecture. Energy is a scarce resource, and we always see a drive toward reducing energy consumption, but this project proves that it can be done.
I think in the future, the role of net zero buildings will become more and more common. And I think the technologies are improving to allow us to achieve it more economically.
It's a game changer in the world of sustainability and net zero. Our hope is that this leads other owners and other developers to do what they thought maybe was not possible.
The engineering, the structure of it, the way that it functions, plus just the level of finish and the quality of aesthetic, all of that packaged up into this building is an example of what's possible for net zero sustainable buildings.